Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Jeep Gladiator? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The 2024 Jeep Gladiator dashboard features a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, upgraded materials, and improved sound insulation. It retains a rugged yet modern design with intuitive controls and enhanced connectivity. The redesigned instrument cluster features a 7-inch digital display, offering customizable vehicle data, navigation, and off-road stats for a modern driving experience. The 12.3-inch touchscreen offers Uconnect 5, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto. The gear system features a rugged shifter design with smooth transitions, optimized for both on-road and off-road performance. The climate control system features dual-zone automatic temperature control with easy access buttons for personalized comfort. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with integrated controls. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, airbag, brake, seat belt reminder, battery charge, door open, electric power steering fault, electronic throttle control, engine coolant temperature, hood open, oil pressure, oil temperature, liftgate open, transmission temperature, vehicle security, anti-lock brake system, electronic stability control active, electronic stability control off, loose fuel filler cap, low fuel, service adaptive cruise control, engine check/malfunction indicator, cruise control fault warning light, service forward collision, four-wheel drive, part-time, 4WD low, tire pressure monitoring system, gear shift, service stop-start system, fuel level sensor failure, axle locker fault, forward collision warning, off, adaptive cruise control ready, cruise control set, low washer fluid, service 4WD, sway bar fault, cargo light on, front and rear axle lock, neutral indicator light, off-road plus, adaptive cruise control set with no target detected. Adaptive cruise control set with target, front fog, parking/headlights on, rear seatbelt reminder, turn signal, stop, start active, rear seat unoccupied, two-wheel drive high, adaptive cruise control, ACC set, cruise control set, select speed control, high beam, cruise control ready, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.